Today we are looking at a completely rebuilt Carter Day 24-inch fractionating aspirator. We're going to do a walk around of the unit and then talk about some of the features that this unit has, as well as some upgrades that we've given to this unit to make it more practical and convenient for the user. We disassembled this unit and thoroughly inspected all of the wear components. Everything is in good shape. The feed gate opening there works. All of the hand controls work and are free and easy to turn. You can see me adjusting the airflow here via this knob. We've outfitted this unit with this VFD variable speed controller for the feed roll. This allows you to perfectly adjust the flow of product into the aspiration chamber to get it tailored to your needs. Turning the knob this way would be slowing the unit down, and then turning it this way would be speeding the unit up. This would increase the speed of the feed roll. You can see the inside of the unit here. We've removed the safety cover here, or the safety shield. This motor here is what drives the feed roll, and then this single phase 3 horsepower motor is what drives the aspiration fan. Now, because we are out here in front of our shop, we cannot get 220 power out here to run the fan motor. Everything on this unit has been rebuilt, and we have thoroughly test ran everything. Everything does work. We can demonstrate the VFD controller here. This is powered by single phase, 110 volts. You plug it into a wall outlet. Okay, now to start the feed roll turning, we flip the switch to the start position. Everything will take off. You can see the feed roll turning in there. As you can see, it is running at full tilt now. That's with the knob turned all the way to the right. And then to tailor the speed to the need of my product, I just turn the knob to the left. As you can see, you can slow it down to a crawl. This allows you to get the machine dialed in perfectly. To the right speeds it up. That's full tilt right there. And then turning it to the left slows it down. And there you have it. Just an all-around nice unit, ready to go back to work and run for a long time.